We didn't drink, that means it's
Oh, good say. I hope it is refrigerated and they didn't shut the fridge. Not to take at least this is their plate, joint plate.
Yeah, no, bus we are enough.
me. બિચારો એનું મોઢું બહુ જ પડી ગયું એનો બાપ એને મારશે
He got destroyed from the inside.
Who?
That Bol guy.
broken and he
Bol milk guy,
afterwards what
KBC.
that Amitabh
Oh,
Bachchan
yeah,
was
yeah.
explaining, he didn't bother because
Yeah.
he was only like this.
Definition of crestfallenness.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definite crestfallen.
I could expect it. I was around 50.
I'm getting ready to go to the beach.
Sorry. I just want to take a video of you sleeping. He really confounds me, that guy. Really. Like, he is very intuitive about mental health, believe it or not. You know?
How did you figure that out?
પેલા પપ્પા કેટલું પહોંચ્યા
Do.
What? Take it.
Yeah. Do it with your teeth. Oh, good job. You got all different.
He only had 2 of these though.
You brought 2 strawberries then?
No, 2, 1 strawberry, 1 peach and 2 apple things.
Nice.
What are apple things?
Like apple things.
अरे रोना कहाँ अरे This is orange. No, peach.
Much better.
Take me also.
Which is better?
Peach. Is it
Wow,
on?
this tastes like UK drink. Sure. Thanks, Rana. Cheers, cheers.
Open your apple thing also and do cheers.
Third one, which one you brought? Third.
Apple. This is the
Only 2 of these bottles they have.
Oh. Then give me
Wait.
apple. Take this.
Wait. Cheers, cheers. You all slept well,
हमको करने का क्या है दूसरा?
but जो करने का है वो अच्छे से किया.
बहुत अच्छे, वेरी वेल.
Good.
It's breezy, but at least
It is moving.
moving.
I know.
ये गोटा होता है.
Okay.
मैंने तेरी की है इन आँखों की महकती खुशबू प्यार को
મને લાગે આટલું ટાઈપ કરે તને ફોટો કરીને મોકલો એ વાંચી શકે મોટું કરીને.
Both.
હે?
Both. Both are possible. This is not too much to type. I'll type and send.
અચ્છા,
Or you want me to take a photo?
ફોટો કરીને જેનાથી મોટો થાય તો.
I thought.
બાબુનો યુકોનો સેવિંગ્સ બેંક એકાઉન્ટ નંબર તારો આ નથી મારી પાસે.
Mahim H Post PO.
પોસ્ટ ઓફિસ.
Head Post Office.
मैंने तेरी
ત્યાં શું છે, બાબુનું એક ખાતું છે, બાબુને ઓલી એ છે ડિપોઝિટ એ ત્યાં કોક વખત કંઈ પૂછવું હોય તો. અમારી પહેલા ખૂબ રહેતી હતી, અમારું ખાતું હતું
I know.
બંધ કર્યું 2 વર્ષથી. પણ
Hinduja, Leelavati and Kokila Ben ka hospital numbers you have to add.
લખવાનું કદાચ તને ગૂગલમાંથી મળે.
મળે. Acha. Then when you change from the old notebook to this?
About a month back.
Oh. These STD codes are શું કહીએ, not old, not changed.
Not true.
Also.
એ તો આપણે બધાના છે
monkey,
બધા.
monkey, monkey.
Where?
Right there.
Oh yeah.
એ સમો મંકી છે અહીંયા.
Sit. હા, મંકી છે એકદમ પાછળ.
ફ્રોમ રાઈટ ટુ લેફ્ટ ગયો.
હા.
પેલું ઝૂંપડા જેવું છે ને ત્યાંથી લેફ્ટ ગયો.
Now he is gone behind the bush. Ah, he's on the tree. Oh, many are there.
એ તો સંભાળો કે આપણી વસ્તુઓ અહીંયા પડી હોય ખાવા પીવાની.
Two-
મને તો એમ કે નથી.
At least 2 are there. One is on that tree and one is
એક
on
તો
that
અહીંયા છે,
tree.
આ tree ઉપર. એટલે ઝૂંપડાના ઉપર
ખાઈ જાય હો.
હા.
Ah, that tree. Hey, see one ran.
અમારે અમદાવાદમાં બહુ વાંદરા તો પછી
એ
આખી
જમણી તરફ દોડ્યો.
And they had some leaves in his mouth.
એક બીજો ધીમે ધીમે જાય.
હા.
આખી
એક દોડતો.
સોસાયટીમાં બૂમ પાડવા માંડે એ વાંદરા આવ્યા
હા.
છે. So if anybody is drying papad or
હા.
something on terrace, immediately they will collect.
Go
I
and
hate
say.
monkeys. Absolutely abhor them.
Why?
One
They
had
are our
attacked me when I was
ancestors.
small.
But they
They are our
usually come
ancestors.
in a-
We have been
in a group.
brought down from monkey to human being.
We've evolved.
Our friend is back.
Oh, the hen is back.
When
All-
I was small, once Cookie had taken me to Parel Hospital,
I remember.
and one monkey had jumped on my shoulder and taken a chunk out of it.
Eh?
It got a big gash. So since then, I am a little bit traumatized
એમ?
of monkeys.
હ્યુમન બીંગને લઈ જાય એની વસ્તુઓ. આપણે તો મહાબલેશ્વરમાં ઓલું પેકેટ લઈને ગયા હોય,
અમાર તો કાકડી ને ટમેટા ને બધું કેળા
હવે બારી ખુલ્લી રાખી ભૂલમાં અને રૂમને તાવ માર્યું હતું.
Yeah.
રૂમને તાવ માર્યું હતું.
હા.
હવે તે બધું અંદર સાફ. અને એ લોકો નહીં, એ લોકો બધું પૂરું કરીને હવે
Then
નતું
how did they get in?
From the
એક વિન્ડો
window.
ભૂલમાંથી નહોતી બંધ કરી, દરવાજાને તાવ માર્યું હતું.
In Mahabaleshwar, so there are many.
પણ અમારી કથા પેલી અમારી ગુજરાતી કહેવત જેવું થયું કે ખાય ડૂચા અને દરવાજા મોકળા.
What does that mean?
હે?
What does it mean?
એટલે small things where would go away, you are trying to stop and you are keeping the
The door open.
ખાળે ડૂચન દરવાજા મોકળા is usually used for people who are stingy in small things.
Hmm.
5 રૂપિયા નહીં લેવાનું, 2 માં દે 3. અને દરવાજા મોકળા means
Losing.
thousands go away, they don't realize also.
What?
In English it is like this કે
Penny wise ne pound foolish.
હા, એ જ.
Penny wise, pound foolish.
Yeah.
Did you come here because of the monkey? Did you
None.
get scared of the monkey?
No, I didn't even see somehow. I couldn't see.
At all?
I couldn't see.
But
the monkey.
yeah, they are far
They are
behind.
far,
Not only
exactly.
far and the movie
हाँ जंप मारी.
જમ્પ માર્યો ઓલા ઝાડ ઉપર હતો એ મને ખબર હતી, મેં કહેતો
हाँ.
grandchildren are loved more than children because they are the interest and not the main amount. ગુજરાતી ઇઝ વેરી ગુડ. તમને આવડે છે ને મમ્મી?
એ તો વ્યાજનું વ્યાજ એમ કહેવાય.
નહીં, નહીં.
વ્યાજનું વ્યાજ.
મુદ્દલ કરતા વ્યાજ વધુ વાલું લાગે. મુદ્દલ ઇઝ
Capital.
મુદ્દલ is principal.
પ્રિન્સિપલ અને વ્યાજ એટલે
આપણે આ
ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ.
લોકોનું
એટલે યુ
ગણિત
ઓલવેઝ લવ
કરાવે
ધ
એટલે
ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ
principal
મોર બીકોઝ
ખબર
ધેટ ઇઝ
ન હોય.
વિધાઉટ
You
મુદ્દલ
don't
યુ
know
હેવ
the
અર્ન્ડ બાય
principal.
મહેનત એન્ડ સેવ્ડ એન્ડ
We are both
Yeah,
traumatized because of you, Ma. Sitting next to you and learning math.
શું થયું?
Just going to see the monkey.
No, Ma was saying when she used to teach maths, she used to use the word principal. So Ronak is saying we have no buddhi in maths, and on top of that we were scared of Ma.
You were
મુદ્દલ
Very.
મુદ્દલ કરતા ગુજરાતીમાં મુદ્દલ કરતા
हाँ.
વ્યાજ વધુ લાગે વાલું.
हाँ. Because you have not. That is bonus.
હા, યુ આર નોટ અર્ન્ડ.
हाँ.
તમે જે કમાણા મહેનત કરીને મૂક્યું એનું જે આવે એટલા માટે યુ ડોન્ટ હેવ ટુ સ્ટ્રગલ ફોર
Yeah, yeah.
કમ્સ ઓટોમેટિક. એટલે મુદ્દલ કરતા વ્યાજ વધુ આવે. એટલે ગ્રાન્ડ ચિલ્ડ્રન આર લવડ મોર દેન ચિલ્ડ્રન બીકોઝ ચિલ્ડ્રન તો તમે ભણાવ્યા ગણાવ્યા અને આ તો ઓલા
Yeah.
લોકોની જવાબદારી ને આપણે રમાડવાના ને
you have to only enjoy.
I'm dangerous, huh? They'll come here.
The monkeys.
ઈ monkeys આવ્યા જોવા ગયો.
Ah.
અરે આ ટેબલ ઉપર મારો ફોન પડ્યો છે કે નહીં જોતો
છે નીચે.
છે. પપ્પા કે ઈ કબાટમાં મૂકી દો.
Oh, the stones are.
જો એક ઉતર્યો ત્યાં પપ્પાની સામે જોવા ગયો ને ત્યાં એ પૂછ રહ્યો.
You're attracting them.
They always move in herd.
ગ્રુપ
They always move in herd.
But we don't have any food stuff here right now.
એક ઓલા નીચેના ઝાડ ઉપર છે, આજો હલે છે ઈ ઝાડ ઉપર છે.
There are 2-3 at least. There are 3.
Many, it's a whole family.
આજો જમ્પ માર્યો.
Haan. 2 jumped onto that tree.
What's the story of the food?
Haan, we have to just ask them.
I told you to go and remind who has brought up
એ જો
Not me.
તો મોટા ઝાડ પરથી પડ્યો, આખો ડાળો એની સાથે નીચે આવી ગયો. એ તો વજનદાર હતો.
They are breaking the leaves also for some reason.
Hey, they're running.
They are non-veg.
Nah, away.
ના હવે
They'll eat anything they can get their
Yeah.
hands.
એટલે આવું કોઈનું ફ્રૂટ કે મળે તો અલગ વાત છે, પણ
પપ્પાના બર્થડેમાં ખબર નહીં મિસ કોલ છે બર્થડે માટે શી વુડ કોલ ટુમોરો યસ્ટરડે ના એમને બરાબર ખબર નથી કદાચ.
Food is ready, by the way.
Chalo,
We can start moving there.
let's go.
અને પેલા તેને सांग તે મધल्या ટેબલ રોજ सांग.
Chal.
Chal. I went and asked.
Go, cha.
Today I have to take photos.
No one gives a shit.
Why are we the only people around today?
I'm gonna go chill on the hand.
કે midday it is 2 o'clock but we don't see during the beach we were not like that is what not to say.
Chal, swing, cha.
Hey! Don't.
Swing, cha.
Ronak, you are very imbalanced. Get in further in. You know he tumbled off it, no? Apparently.
Who?
Daddy.
Naturally. If there's one person here who's going to tumble off a hammock, it's him.
But this one is a little tumbly.
Nah, away. It's a normal hammock.
What's the
It's the bookmark.
bookmark?
It's Palais de Versailles.
Versailles.
You want this table or that table?
This one.
Yeah, I think this one is better. I'll clear his laptop and all. એમાં છે પાણી છે
હા
was thinking what happened is that they put cow dung on the tree
No,
and then
right up
painted
to-
it.
Fair, see? The character only of the
અહીંયા
આ જાસ્વંતનો કલર તો જોયો નતો આનો ફોટો કાઢ
હા
બ્યુટીફુલ કલર ઇટ ઇઝ
રિયલી વાઇબ્રન્ટ પિંક
what color to call it I can't understand.
યા પિંક ઇઝ
It
લિટલ
is not pink, it is not orange, it is not peach
યા
kind of.
Lock our room. Don't pretend, na? Chop, chop, chop.
ક્યાં જતા રહ્યા?
લેપટોપ મૂકવા
Thank you.
Thank you.
Make fish out.
થેન્ક યુ Ronak, what's it like?
Very good.
What have we got?
કઈ આટલો કોળ આપશે?
अरे अक्षय एवढा एवढा गुळाचा खडा दे ना आणि थोडं गरम करून तेल आण.
Hello.
I think she's digested the idli.
Yeah, and she's had a good. Oh, by the way, she slept.
That is true.
So much rice you ate, you know.
ખબર છે? ઈ કહો કે ખાવા પીવા આપો નહીં અને પ્રેમ કરો એનો શું અર્થ? એક આઈડિયા આપો.
હા
તે જેમ કીધું પહેલા એને પૂછ કે તારે સાંજે શું તારે અમને આપવું છે, પછી તું જો કે ઇફ ધેટ સૂટ્સ બેટર તો એ આપણે ન સૂટ થાય તો કંઈ નહીં, અમને આ શું કે
Good idea.
ગુડ આઈડિયા. લેટ અસ હેવ
For dinner.
and then go for our opinion. This is suits us our okay.
Madhu, you're swimming wrongly. Swing from the middle.
Nata, we see na videos of hen and cat as friends.
Hmm. Hi, kitty. Hi, Kato. Hi, Kato bee.
हाँ तू फोन रख तेरा. We will call you. हाँ. Call her on WhatsApp. दिल हथेली पर ले आए तुमने पुकारा अरे बापरे કેટલું ઊંચું જાય ને. must be stopping somewhere or not.
What?
This tree,
Yeah.
नारळ का झाड. આપણે તેમ એવું હોય ને કે અમુક ગ્રોથ then we
Stop.
stop.
I think for trees also. But some are taller than the others.
Ah.
Like these two are so
this one
tall.
though is very tall.
See, wait, don't pat him for a bit.
He's got beautiful eyes.
Yeah.
Beautiful eyes.
Hi.
Stare into your soul.
It's a stray, indie.
Don't pat him for a bit, huh?
Hi.
What are you eating?
Do we have anything to give him?
Oh.
Oh, same.
Again, stop patting him for a bit.
Ah. This is our room where we are staying.
Shit.
Oops.
Take a picture like this. Proper picture.
Ready. Ready. Oh, caught him looking at me. Hi. Hi. Sleep,
This
sleep.
is a stately dog.
Yeah. And clearly that's only one word you have.
He's docile. He's
क्या हुआ?
थोड़ा आड़ा हो गया तो गिरा पानी. Very sweet.
Papa, one more.
ના. તુષારનું છે કે બાબુનું?
બાબુને
તુષારને આપ્યું?
આપે છે. पेपर किधर लेके जाते हो?
Xerox.
ओ, इधर जेरोक्स मिलेगा?
આટલો ફ્રેન્ડલી છે મારો?
हाँ.
હે?
Bye, Papa.
मेरे को फोन करो इधर कोंकण बाजार आने के बाद. Means pick me up from the gate.
I'm not going to go. Bye.
You are not going to?
Konkan Bazaar.
नको
काय करती?
किती नखाने खरडलं, तिला वाटलं बॉल आहे.
तिला राग आला.
भूक लागली.
कोणी मला पेट करत नाहीये, काही नाही. Where you were sleeping?
काय नाही खायला.
तिला एक पिस्ता देऊन बघ. एक देऊन बघ.
दूध सकाळची ब्रेड.
She is missing Ronak.
टिपटॉप. हा
Yeah. Same owners.
હા પણ બધું પેન્ટ કરે.
Ah.
નળિયા બળિયા થાય.
Even though they are not here.
એટલે ઓલા ભાખરી
up say if you want.
મારે નહીં તમારે લોકો
हमारे नहीं, only कढी is. डाळ खिचडी was good. पोट भरून जातं त्याच्यात. भाकरी no one will want. बाबा इतका शांतीचे आवाज पक्ष्यांचे and the leaves scraping on each other. The sound of what is it has a name, the leaves what?
Rustling.
Rustling of the leaves.
હા. જો નતું तिकडे बघितलं ना
Hmm.
those trees
Hmm.
की आपल्याला समजते हवा आहे.
Hmm.
Which those 3
Coconut trees. Yo. Coconut trees, na?
हा कोकणात
Yeah.
तेव्हा आपल्याला जमते हालतात चांगले.
Hmm.
બજાર તો તુષારને કહેજે નીતાના ઓલા ઉપર શું કહેવાય એના
Phone.
વોટ્સએપ ઉપર નાખી દે કે ફ્રોમ મોર્નિંગ મમ્મી ઇઝ થિંકિંગ ઓફ યુ, હેપી બર્થડે.
Joke. Hey, not to do like that.
હા નખ બહાર કાઢે છે. પડવાની એને બીક લાગે છે.
Nah, she's
પપ્પા
very.
તો આ વખતે એકદમ જોશમાં. He found a cycle. Directly he removed the cycle. Blue cycle. પછી એના ઉપર બેસી ગયા. પણ હું બેસું છું એક ફોટો લે. એકદમ એક્સાઇટેડ જ થઈ ગયા ફોટો. So I took the photo
જો
and I sent it to her, Reshma. So she wrote 90 years young.
Show the photo to the camera also.
See here.
I don't think Papa rode cycle even when he was young.
Yeah, but today he rode.
But
She
he
has the
only
video.
taught me how to cycle.
She has the video.
No, you only have.
Your-
You were only taking.
The video.
તારા બતાવ ને હમણાં.
I also have to sort through them.
For me, cycle.
In the 10th standard.
10th and 11th. 11th, our SSC was 11th.
Matric.
So I think 2 years. પાછી હું કોલેજ નહોતી લઈ જતી.
Then what happened of that cycle?
અરે એ ને રાખીને
You had to give it away. How far you had to cycle?
eh?
How far you had to cycle?
My school was about 2 kilometers from my house.
Oh.
One and a half to 2 kilometers. Quite far.
Yeah.
પહેલા અમે ચાલતા જ જતા.
And cycling, how much time it used to take to reach?
I used to take. તોય તે મને હું બહુ ફાસ્ટ. I was little weak from this. So I never used to ride fast.
Oh.
25 minutes like that I would.
Acha.
શકે
Acha.
એવું કાંઈ નથી.
Shut the door.
એ સાકર લાખીને લાવ્યો છે ને આપણે નાખી
ના
સાકર આપણે નાખી.
એને ખબર છે પહેલાથી કે ઈ નથી નાખી અનલેસ એને ભૂલથી નાખી દીધી.
I think these are from this thing cold storage. That's why they become like.
અચ્છા. Possible.
So did you all walk around the fort?
I like cotton.
No, there is not much to walk around the fort. It's like a very small area and it consists of this one tower and then there is a wall which actually the other side is the beach.
Chala.
Acha.
So
તુષાર તો છાલ સહિત ખાશે.
it was a very
કોઈ
different
ખ્યાલ
and,
છે કઈ
છાલ કાઢવું.
like Papa said, there were like some 6-7 cannons just lying around on the.
Acha. On the ground.
Nonu, how was the sunset?
રોનુને છાલ વગર જોઈ.
Please.
Hand wash karuni.
Even I want tea. Wash your hands.
Ask
Arey yaar.
બોલ હવે આવશે 2 મિનિટ
You do always say my tea.
I know,
now.
We don't know when you're coming.
No, we don't know
No.
when.
It's
you-
okay, I'll drink cold tea. It's better than not drinking tea, na?
Okay, but they'll give
There
quickly.
is apple also.
Don't worry.
Juice, apple juice.
ઈ એનો એને પી લીધો છે.
મારો પીવે હવે.
Acha.
આટલી મોટી બોટલ છે. We can drink half.
એને આખી આપને મારી હું આ એપલ ખાઈશ ને તમને થોડાક તમે જો લેજો
હા.
બરોબર
Lot of mosquitoes today. દરવાજો બંધ કરજો. અત્યારે આ mosquitoes નો ટાઈમ છે.
હા હા I won't keep it open for a
Avoid
minute.
going in and coming out of the room.
એ પહેલા ખાશે પછી પીશે તરત.
Ronak, will you have apple first or tea first? Apple.
હા તો
ચા
હું
તો
કાપી
હજી બનાવવી પડશે એની. unless ઓલાએ થોડી વધારે બનાવી રાખી હોય.
એને છે ને છાલ નથી ભાવતી,
Acha.
એ છાલ વગર ખાય.
You're also getting mosquitoes on your leg?
Yeah, I mean, I'm seeing them around, but I'm just moving. I'm not
You can
getting
go to that.
bitten,
There are a
thankfully.
lot of mosquitoes.
Not going.
બોલા ને ચાય બેટા
હા
આવશે 10 મિનિટમાં.
હા.
એક કપ બનાવતા વારમાં.
yeah, I don't have any problem, don't worry. The beach was very pretty though there.
હે બેટા?
Ronak, what was your
મૂન જોવો તો
verdict of the
મૂન.
fort?
આજે
Little underwhelming.
how a bright one.
Yeah.
અચ્છા એને બનાવેલી હતી એક્સ્ટ્રા.
હા એક extra one થતી હતી. She's smarter than you.
વેરી ગુડ.
અને મચ્છર જ ખૂબ.
મમ્મી મૂન જોવો તો મૂન.
તે અગરબત્તી આના ના please.
હાથી અગરબત્તી આને પ્લીઝ.
It's a thin crescent moon.
Now I'll have tea before then I'll have the apple, huh, Ma?
ઓકે.
So that it doesn't cool down.
હા એપલ તું પછી ખાજે બેટા.
Those monkeys were
Yeah, to
right in
take
front of all those shops, and all the shopkeepers were getting a little angsty.
The monkeys we were seeing from here.
They were at the
તમે
shops outside
ખાધું?
the beach.
તમે એપલ ખાધું?
નહીં.
હારી.
મને છાલ વાવું, તુષારને છાલ વાવું,
હા
તમને છાલ વગરનું, બાબુને છાલ વગરનું,
હા.
સુનંદા કે એવું.
I finished.
Finish.
સુનંદાએ તો કાંઈ બી લીધું હે.
Good
જવું
girl.
છે ને અમારે.
Good
Papa,
girl.
take.
હાલ્યો. હું તમને બી
આમ
કાઢીને
આપીને પાછું લઈ લે.
ના બી નહીં ચાલ
Third
કાઢી.
time she's doing it.
Thank you.
Relax, breathe. It's okay.
Thank you.
Doesn't concern you.
It does.
No, it doesn't.
Thank you. पार्टी में लावून ते
Huh.
बघू लक्षात ठेवा.
હા હા.
ऊपर चाले तर अचानक.
હાલ્યો. હાલ્યો હવે આના બી કાઢ.
ના ती पण लावलेली आहे सामी रोपाण कल मारून ती नर्सरीतून.
અચ્છા. કઢી પત્તા.
મને 1 મિનિટ આપ.
શું? હા,
સોરી.
હા, તમે ખાઓ.
હા ખાઉં છું.
3 હતા એટલે 6 ભાગ થશે.
હા હા.
30 minutes mosquitoes come and then they go away.
Can't see you smiling. Wave. Huh.
આ મૂન કા ફોટો લેતે हैं?
Leah. But the moon is hiding behind the palm. Ah, there we go.
It was a nice fort. It was all commercialized. There are many people living inside.
Inside the fort.
એ લોકોએ જે
As in inside the walls.
4-5 માળ કર્યો છે ને ઓબ્ઝર્વેશન પોસ્ટ અથવા ત્યાં એને સીડી તો રાખવી જ જોઈએ.
That is
જૂની
true.
પડી ગઈ હોય તો નવી બનાવી
That
દેવાની.
is true. It would have been a phenomenal view.
આપણા
Phenomenal.
અહીંયા ઇન્ડિયામાં એવું કઈ થાય છે તરત?
It would look out onto the beach,
પડી
na?
ગયા તો ગયા, nobody is bothered.
Yeah.
How abroad they maintain old things. બાપરે.
And there was some big wedding photo shoot.
Question should be
Oh, really?
somebody should undertake the restoration. જે
Who
છે
is
ને
that somebody? The corporators, the municipality.
Thank you.
Such people need to undertake restoration.
ત્યાં રોકું છો
पैसा must be coming for the fort ka maintenance.
ત્યાં મોટર પડી હતી મોટી
No, that was for the wedding.
મહારાષ્ટ્ર રાજ્ય
That was for the wedding.
ગવર્મેન્ટની મોટર હતી
But are you going to make some sort of a video from all this?
You not seen?
Huh?
I've been vlogging for the last few months, no time pass. YouTube.
So,
I'll show. Ronak, I have to employ your photo skills.
I'm sorry to say tomorrow.
Devdandanu market is bigger in number and size than the other.
Hey?
Ah.
Really?
And
pretty
the
big.
number of mandir, all newly painted, oh? And the Divar Batti,
Even this one,
the newly painted.
Apadaratha is newly painted.
બધા newly painted. તો એકટીમાં દીવા ભગવાન કે ક્યાંય આરતી દેખાય નહીં માણસો અહીં એ કોઈ નથી
સંતરું
મમ્મીના મેં આખું ખાધું
After,
મેં ને બાબુએ આખું ખાધું એટલું મેં ને બાબુએ આખું ખાધું
Not Babu, એટલે me.
હા એટલે મેં ને તુષારે બહુ
Wait, where's
સરસ
my mask gone?
છે છે
Sit in the car.
They're all fuskya, Ronak.
what
Sansa. Aren't they?
what is fuska
The sansa.
I went to do susu there, na, in your room, right?
નોટ માય રૂમ યુ વેટ ઇન યોર રૂમ
Yeah. પણ ત્યાં નથી mask.
yours was
Stop making these videos. Arey, stop making these videos.
Don't be in them.
she's not taking your videos to even save her life whatever gave you that idea
Very good.
And I'll make whatever I want to make.
who are you to tell her you do your work now you pile on to the body like crazy after giving all the names he'll pile on married we are only discussing
पाण्याची बाटली लावली नाही त्याच्यात ते आधी घेतली तर पाणी लागतं.
हे कसले आहेत
Yum. Oops. छान छान पिकल घे हं, मग.
मिरची लिंबू
हा मिरची चालेल पण असं लसूणचं घे.
लसूणचं
ही
नाही
ही ही कैरी आहे, तिखट आहे की गोड आहे? गोड आहे.
आंबट गोड तिखट अशी
आंबट
ही
गोड.
वाली?
गुजराती पद्धतीची.
अच्छा अच्छा. हे काय सगळे बॉटलचे? गावरान. हे बघ गावरान आंबा आहे. हे काय?
जलदेशील का काही?
आवळा नको ना?
नाही आवडा नको ते काय बघ
थांबा.
मोठी बाटली
लसूण घेतली
नाही
का? लसूण
लसूण
नको?
लाईक चटणी
मिक्स नको. लिंबू मला नाही आवडत. हे आंब्याचं अजून एक घेती तर घे.
एक तिथून घेऊया ना
हां अरे हां. आंबा मुरब्बा केरी लोणचं.
इकडं बघ तू ते काय ते
ते काय मुरब्बा आहे. मुरंबा.
कसला
आंबा.
कितीचा आहे बघ
80.
थोडं तिकडून घेऊया
शिंगार. नीर डोसा पीठ. ओवा समथिंग.
काय झालं निघालेत ना हा कोण आले कापणी चालू आहे ना
गोवा for your father
Yeah, even I want guava cheese.
Bachcha aam. Mixed fruit bar. How do we?
I don't know what it is. Just taking it.
हे जरा मिक्स करायचं आहे आम्हाला तर कसं करायचं?
मिक्स हवे
हो
घ्या
सगळे नाही फक्त हे आणि ते
म्हणजे पर पीस आहे का?
5 रुपये
5 रुपये पर पीस.
ओके देन वी डोंट नीड सो मेनी
I also think we should try amba roll. फणस मावा. Wow.
6 or 1
And what about
आंबा मावा.
आम पापड़ नहीं है क्या?
फणस मावा.
मिक्स फ्रूट बार, मिक्स फ्रूट बार.
How do There's an insect on my hair.
No, 662 you buy. 2 flavors.
But wow, this is like $60.
Nathu, where's your aam papad?
See, this is Fanas Mawa. I'm going to buy it. And this is Amba roll.
Amba roll and fanas mawa.
Yeah. Is there better Amba roll?
आंबा रोल नसतो
Nice, something to try.
First take one of that enough and 6 of these are enough no more खूप महाग आहे 5 रुपये 30 रुपये झाली 1000 पापड
Yeah, these two. But this is $60, so I'll buy it.
What is this?
Fanas Mawa. Fanas means jackfruit, no? Bor banta. What is bor banta? Hardwari vadi. What is this? Hingoli.
He's saying this is only आम पापड
Keep.
पैसे नाही देत काय नाही भाऊकडे पैसे मागायला गेले तर तो त्याच्यात फोन करायचा
And guava cheese. This is not guava cheese.
It took 6
Where? Oh, acha.
So it's like one flavor, one each.
Yeah.
Flavor. These have green chutney.
What is kokum agal?
आगाळ ते माझ्या नाही तो जो यूज
Let's buy one सरबत यार. कोकम सरबत.
नाही आहे कोणी नाही पीत घरात पडलंय तसंच
पप्पा यार drinks.
Yeah, and now.
for years now one bottle I threw away that day don't take it's very sweet
Alfonso mango jam you want Nathu?
I don't. Yeah.
त्याला ना कोकम बिकम हे घे अल्फोन्सो जॅम घे हे ठेवून दे
Just see the dates.
Yeah. Oh my God. December 2019.
All are December 2019.
Ah, chuck it.
No, what?
December 2019 is like a year ago. What is this? This is also mixed fruit jam. Where are the pickles?
लोणची कुठे आहेत लोणची लोणची अच्छा
Come. Gulkan, Ramba, Gulkan, Shejwan, काय वणी चटणी ओ नको शेजवान चटणी नको.
ते वाले जास्त छान होते.
हे बघ ना पुढे हां ओके. लिंबू गोड नको, कैरी
मजा नाही.
स्वीट नको,
गोपो देखते
लिंबू मिक्स नको.
I'm taking this 2 coconut sarbat, 1 liter.
Put.
It's good. It's 150 only. Hey, look at these. What are these pohas?
Yeah.
But which pohas are these?
Yeah, why are they pink? They are probably unpolished pohas. What is this hingori? What is bor banta? I'm very curious.
पिकल्सचा नो गुड यपो पिकल्सचा नो गुड.
Hing pachak.
We'll have to go there. I've seen one.
It's a hing pachak. Pudina pachak. Hi, Bunty. You come for a post-dinner pat? Huh? Post-dinner pat, Bunty? Huh, okay. What if I don't pat you? Huh, Bunty? Bantu. Oh, yo. Oh, yo. Buns. Bunty. Oh, Lulu, you're going to pat you. Of course, I'm going to pat you. Of course, Bantu baby. You had a nice dinner. What you had for dinner? You. You want more patting? You want patting and more patting? Bunty. Bunty. What are you listening for? What are you listening to? Bunty. What are you listening to, baby? What do you want? What do you want, Bunty? Oh. Okay, bye. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for sitting with me. Bunty boy. But you know his name, right?
Some Maharashtrian name, Ganesh or some
No. It's stop it. Stop tapping him. Oh. It's Bunty.
Oh, was
Bunty.
good, shorty.
Bunch.
He's gone through all those plants and all.
Oh yeah.
You're a good dog. Aren't you? You're a good dog. Look me in my eye. Huh?
He nudges when he wants pats.
He's a handsome guy. Huh?
Yeah.
He's a handsome
It's a
dog.
cute little
With his
cutie.
ears popping up and all.
Bunty? Bunty? You know, he has this thing, even though his attention is elsewhere, if you call him, he'll wag.
Hmm.
Bunty? Bunty?
No,
Way
not
to let me down, Bunty. Bunts? See, he's doing it now. Bunty? Oh. See.
He just licks if he.
Yeah, if he wants. Ronak, stop it, man.
It's a plant thing.
You don't know that for sure.
I know I touched it. Oh, it's alive, it's alive. Yes, I know. She's quite stupid. I agree. Exactly. It's unbelievable how dumb she is.
What are you waiting for? Bunty?
I like his ears.
Hi, Bantu. Hi. He's like, hello, why have you stopped? Hi, Bunty. Hi.
Yeah, he chooses me over you.
Not really, he's done. He'll sleep here only.
He'd be like a 25-year-old investment banker if he was a guy.
No.
Like Christian Bale from American Psycho.
No, he would not be an investment man. He's too jovial for that. He's too jolly for
He'd
that.
be like
He'd be like
at a
a
dead-end job,
college-
but still happy.
college going, aspiring for advertising, creative type.
What?
Ronak is saying Bunty would be an investment banker if he was a human.
No, he's got the people skill. He'd definitely do something related to dealing with people.
I would say he
Look,
would be in
who is
His
advertising.
natural instinct, yeah. He wants human presence.
Yeah, and he's showing me his butt. Keep your tail down. Thank you.
Oh, he likes that. Ah,
Oh,
that's the sweet spot, huh?
look at him. Okay, he's done. Are you done, Bunts?
He went at her, huh?
सुसू केली सगळ्यांनी.
Actually, my camera is also not very good.
Again you tried, Papa? Again you tried?
Ride what?
नाही नाही
द सायकल
हा, सायकल